So the new gaming consoles are out, and maybe you are a gamer who is looking at upgrading your gaming experience by getting a new TV that will showcase what these new consoles can do. Well, in today's tech video, I'm going to help you decide if this is the TV that is right for you. The PlayStation 5 and the Xbox Series X are out, and you're wondering if the LG UN7300 is the best TV for these new systems. Well, let's find out and let's dive into this. I'm going to be showing you guys some sample footage of gaming on this TV, but first I want to give you some helpful info and what to look for when shopping for a new TV for your new gaming system. When shopping for a new TV, you want to pay attention to these 4 key features. And these include 4K resolution, 120 frames per second, a variable refresh rate, and HDR. And luckily, this particular model has all of those. It can be overwhelming when you go TV shopping with a wide variety of TVs that are affordable and some that are really expensive. But the fact of the matter is, these consoles in their early days are not going to really need all those features that those high-end TVs offer. Developers need time to harness all the potential of these machines, along with producing games that will drive these features to the fullest. So don't worry too much about spending a ton of money on a flagship TV when you can buy one that's a little bit cheaper that will perform just as well. Now, I can go into all the specs that are sometimes way over people's head when it comes to these TVs, but seeing is believing. So here is some sample footage of how this TV does with gaming. Now that's just a little sample of what this TV can do. Make sure that when you are shopping for a new TV that you look for those 4 features that I mentioned previously. And if you like this TV here, I'll have a link in the description down below of where you can get it. Take care.